No. Different. Measurements of angles. Write down. Measurement of angles. Two systems. There are two systems, okay? Normally what to use. Number one. Number one. Sexagesimal system. Number two. Circular system. Don't talk, but write down. Okay. I think all of you have eaten. Is it?
Yes, sir, done, sir.
Before going to this 1 and 2, we should know angles. And I know all of you know what is angle. Right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Geometry. Trigonometry. Right? Now you see, geometry and trigonometry. I am telling about angles. What I am going to tell you? Angles. Number one, in geometry, angles always positive. Always positive. Angles will never be negative. In trigonometry, angles may be positive, may be negative, both. I mean, I can write an angle of 270 degree, but here we cannot write. I think I've got it. In trigonometry, positive, negative, both may be accepted. But in geometry, angles will be always positive. I think I've got it.
Yes, sir.
Range in geometry, angles 0 degree less than equal to theta. Theta is an angle less than equal to 360 degree. What is meant by this? In geometry,
Theta may be, sir, two limits, like 0 degree.
in geometry, the lowest angle is 0 degree. In geometry. And the highest angle is 360 degree. In geometry. But in trigonometry, there is no limitation. That is, it is suppose minus infinity to plus infinity. I have not given equal sign. There is no limitation in trigonometry. I think I've got it. I can write down an angle, suppose minus 10,000 degree. I can write down an angle. I can write down an angle 20,000 degree. We can write, but in geometry we cannot write. Okay. So the basic difference between geometry and trigonometry is angles always will be positive in geometry. In trigonometry, positive, negative both. In geometry, minimum and maximum angle are given. 0 degree is minimum, that is the lowest angle. And the highest angle is 360 degree. But here it is unlimited. At first, where we were, the systems of measurements. The first one was sexagesimal. Write down. Sexagesimal system. Okay. Here, here, unit of this system. Who can tell me? Talk to me. None of you can tell, right? Here, unit is 1 right angle. And we all know that 1 right angle, RA, from now onward, I will express right angle by RA. R for right, A for angle. 1 right angle equals to what? You have been knowing it from since class 5 or 4. 90 degree. If I divide 90 degree by 90, then we'll get 1 degree, right? 1 right angle that is 90 degree can be divided into 90 divisions. There will be 90 divisions, and each division will be 1 degree. This 1 degree again, sorry. This 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. This 1 minute 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Okay. Write down. I think you have written. Don't think it is minute for time. It is minute and seconds for angles. Example, an angle can be written 10 degree, 20 minute, 31 second. An angle can be written like that. Now, Now we all will take out our calculator. Take out the calculator. Suppose you are told 10 degree, 40 minute, 20 seconds plus 20 degree, 30 minute. Who can tell me? Equals to what? Equals to what? Everybody. You see, it is 70 seconds. So 70 seconds means what? 70 seconds means what? We can write 60 seconds plus 10 seconds, right? So 60 seconds means what? 1 minute plus 10 seconds. So here it will be 10 seconds. So we are left with 1 minute. You add this one, 30 plus 1, 31 plus 40. We are getting again 71 minute. In the next step, we are getting 71 minute. This 71 minute can be written 60 minute plus 11 minute. So we are left with 11 minute. Okay, and this 60 minute means what? 1 degree. Okay, so we are left with 1 degree. 20 plus 1, 21 plus 10, 31 degrees. Now please let me know who has failed to understand. Are you getting it or not? Everybody,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
do you have calculator with you? Take out the calculator. Write down in calculator operation. Calculator operation. 10 in your calculator, you can see left side third row in most of the calculator. There is a sign. You see, there is a sign like this. There is a sign. It is degree, minute, second. There is a sign. You write down 10, then this sign. Then 40, again this sign. Do what I am telling you. Then write down 20 in a calculator. This sign. Okay. Then write down plus. Again 20, this sign. Then 30. This sign. Then write down 50. This sign is equal to. Can you please operate this? And let me know. Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
this? Are
The
you
answer
getting
is
this?
correct.
Are you getting this, Dalu?
Yes, sir.
The first one is degree, the second one is minute, third one is second. You have got answer like this: 31 in this way. You have got 11 in this way. You have got 10 in this way. You have got your answer, right? It means the first one is degree, then minute, then second. That is, we will get 31 degree 11 minute 10 seconds. So you can do it with the help of calculator in the exam hall. I think you have got it right. All of you, please pay attention. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Only one has got, not a matter. So others don't know how to talk. Anyway, not a matter. You see here also, suppose you are told to add 10 degree, suppose 40 minutes, okay, and 55 seconds plus 30 minutes 10 seconds equals to what? Now let me know. Please, what will be your answer?
Sir, 40 degree, 50 minutes and 55 seconds.
No,
Using
no,
calculator?
5 seconds, right? Okay, it's okay, good. Now you see, when you operate this function, then what the same thing here, it will be 0 degree. It will be considered as 0 degree. You will get your answer 5 seconds 11 minute 11 degree. Is it? Can you please operate your calculator? When you will do it, you will consider it here 0 degree. You have to write here 0 degree.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's okay, sir. 11
Oh,
degree. Yes, sir.
is it? In the same way, we can also subtract. Okay? Is it?
Yes, sir. We can subtract.
Have you ever read out longitude? Longitude?
So in BGS, sir, we have
Yes.
studied the word
Yes,
longitude.
What is
sir.
the longitude of Dhaka?
23 point something. No, 90.
Dhaka 90 degree 26 minute. Okay? Dhaka 90 degree 26 minute. You have to indicate east. For longitude, we must mark either in eastern hemisphere or it is in the western hemisphere. I mean, one can be written like this: 75 degree west in this way. W means west. E means east. Actually, what is happening here? You see, this is what Earth, right? Okay. Now, this is east. This is west. North. This is south. Right? Is it? Now here we get an angle of 360 degree. And we know when the earth rotates, it has two rotation. Number one, it rotates like top. Okay. Actually 66 and half degree, it becomes slant. with an angle of 66.5 degree, like the top. In this way, it rotates. Okay, you have seen top at the end how they rotate in this way, but the angle made by the Earth is 66.5 degree. Okay, and it takes 365 days, or about 360, or about 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, 47 seconds. It takes. Okay, we can write here minute, then you will understand it is minute, it is second. Okay, it is on its own axis. Axis means what? Centering the sun. Okay, it takes 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, 47 seconds. Okay, but on its own orbit, okay, the Earth takes only 24 hours. Only 24 hours. Am I right? In these 24 hours, the Earth travels or rotates 360 degree. Talk to me, all of you. Write down. But for 1 hour, it rotates 360 degree by 24 is equal to, calculate, 15 degree. That means for every hour, the Earth rotates 15 degree. Is it okay? Okay, 1 hour means what? 1 hour means what? Talk to me. 1 hour means
60 seconds.
60 minutes.
Acha, sorry, sir.
60 minutes. So in 60 minutes, it rotates 15 degree. That is, now we can tell 15 degree is traveled by the Earth in 60 minutes. This is timing, this is angle. So 1 degree is rotated by the Earth in 60 by 15 equals to 4 minutes. That is, the Earth takes only 4 minute time to rotate an angle of 1 degree. Okay? Okay, very good. 1 degree equals to what? Can you please let me know? 1 degree equals to what? 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. That I told you.
Okay.
And 4 minutes equals to what? 4 into 60 seconds. Talk to me.
Yes.
4 minutes equals to what? 4 into 60 seconds. If we cancel this 60 and this 60, we will get that an angle of 1 minute is rotated by the Earth in 4 seconds. So we have got some formula. 1 hour, 15 degree. Okay. 1 degree, 4 minutes. 1 minute, 4 seconds. These three must be known to you. Okay.
Sir, these all are our BGS chapter 4.
4 or 3, I can remember.
So these are all present in our BGS chapter 4, sir.
It's okay. But have we written this?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Okay. Now you see, Dhaka is considered as by 90 degree east. Dhaka is considered. Kolkata, I don't know the spelling. Is it Kolkata? Kolkata is considered as by 82.5 degree east. Kolkata is considered. Now, can you please let me know what is the longitudinal difference between Dhaka and Kolkata? What is the difference? Huh? Can you please tell me longitudinal difference between
No,
Dhaka
sir.
and Kolkata? Why? Difference means for subtraction. So you subtract 90
Also, sir.
degree, 90 degree, 90 degree minus 82.5 degree.
Just 7.5 or
That is 7.5 degree.
15/2. Yes, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now you see, for 15 degree, the earth takes 1 hour. I just told it today. The earth takes 1 hour to rotate 15 degree. Talk to me, please.
Yes, sir.
Here it is 7.5 degree. That is almost half of 15 degree, right? So for 7.5 degree, it will take what? Half hour, half an hour. And half an hour means what? 30 minutes. Okay. Kolkata is behind Dhaka. Okay. Because it is 90 degree east and it is 82.5 degree east. Okay. Have you got me? Got me? Kolkata is behind Dhaka. So if a place is behind the another place, it means its time will be what? And what will be its time? Its time will be advanced. So when suppose it is now, suppose what is the time now? Suppose it is 01, say example 01 p.m. 01 p.m. Dhaka. 01 p.m. Dhaka. Okay, suppose it is 01 p.m. Dhaka. Then for Kolkata, it will be 12:30 p.m. Kolkata. Half an hour. Okay, Dhaka is half an hour advance as its degree is in the eastern zone. It is also in the eastern portion, but it is advanced. It is behind. I think for this, the time difference between Dhaka and Bangladesh, I'm sorry, between Dhaka and Kolkata, the time difference between Dhaka and Kolkata, you see, it is half an hour. So when there any program or any cricket match starts at Kolkata time suppose 2 p.m. Kolkata time 2 p.m. That means Dhaka time it is 2:30 p.m. Am I right? Is it? If it is Kolkata 2 p.m., then Dhaka time it is 2:30 p.m. Am I right? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
That's good. GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, Greenwich Mean Time. That means we are told Dhaka Dhaka GMT plus 6. What is meant by this? That is, we are 6 hours advance from Greenwich Mean Time. What is meant by this? Actually, this is the Earth. Okay, there are. It is called international deadline. Okay, and it passes through the Man Mandir of London. Man Mandir of London. It is called 0 point. Okay, it is called 0 point. You know, it is equator. It is called equator. It is 0 degree. It is 0 degree. It is north. It is south. It is east. And it is west. It is 23.5 degree. What is the name of this? Can you tell me? Tropic of
Cancer.
You're right. Tropic of Cancer. And it is
Tropic
20
of Capricorn.
Capricorn.
Tropic of Capricorn.
Yes, Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Now you see, London longitude 0 degree. Dhaka longitude 90 degree east. Can you please let me know what is that longitudinal difference? What is their longitudinal difference? 90 degree minus 0 degree equals to 90 degree. Per 15 degree, it is 1 hour. So you divide by 15. You divide 90 degree by 15 degree. Per 15 degree, it is 1 hour. Are you getting me or not? 15 degree, 1 hour. 1 degree, 1 by 15 hour. Then 90 degree equal to what? 90 by 15. That is 6 hours. For this time difference, okay, between Dhaka and London is 6 hours. That means I'm writing a time 1st January, the example I'm giving you, 1st January, suppose, giving you an example, 2021, okay, 1st January, Wednesday, 2021, time is 3 a.m. Dhaka. Can you please tell me, at the same time, what will be timing for London?
So 9 p.m. of 31st December and 2020.
31st December, Tuesday, 2020, 9 p.m. London. I think you have got me. Is it okay? You have to have 6 hours back because Dhaka is advanced, okay? London 0 degree, Dhaka 90 degree. So it is towards east more. For this, time of London will be behind that of Dhaka. Okay. Suppose it is 0 degree, 0, sorry, it is 1, it is 2, minus 1, minus 2, it is minus 3. What is the difference here or distance? Can you please tell me? What is the distance between these two? 2 minus
5.
5. That's good. So from here it is positive and from here it is negative, right? That's good. Suppose you are given this type. This is the main Mediterranean. Now Dhaka is suppose 90 degrees east. Dhaka. Now Washington DC, suppose it is 75 degree west. What will be their longitudinal difference? Actually, in this way, it is 0, 0 to 90, it is 90 degree, and here it is 75 degree. So what will be their longitudinal difference? Can you please let me know? I am going to write down in details. Dhaka, 90 degree east. Washington DC, 75 degree west.
Sir, 165.
You're absolutely right. What is the longitudinal difference? As they are in the different sphere, different longitude, it is east or it is west. So they are in difference, okay? So it will be their addition, 90 degree plus 75 degree. As we added 2 plus 3 equals to 5 in my last example. Can you remember, please? So it is equal to what? 165 degrees. Now you divide 165 by 15, we'll get 11 hours. As Washington DC is behind Dhaka because it is in the western. Western means what? Okay. East means what? Here the sun. East means what? Here the sun. Okay. So Dhaka will get light at first, then Washington DC. Am I right? Dhaka will get light at first, then Washington DC. That means from Dhaka to Washington DC, the Earth will take 11 hours. The Earth will take 11 hours to go from Dhaka to Washington DC. That means the Earth will get light of sun after 11 hours than that of Dhaka. It means we are 11 hours advanced than Washington DC. That means if it is suppose now the time is suppose 1 p.m. Okay. Now can you tell me what is it is now Dhaka? It is now for Dhaka. Can you please tell me what is the timing now in Washington DC? You subtract 11 hours from 1 p.m. Can you subtract?
10 a.m.
Is it? It is 2 a.m. Washington DC. Talk to me. If we add 11 hours with 2 a.m., we'll get 1 p.m. Am I?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Though it is the part of BGS, but it's from my side that it is a calculation of degree, minutes, second. For this, I tried my level best to make you understand actually what is happening here. I think all of you know it, right? Did you know earlier?
Yes, sir. About.
Okay.
digits.
Anyway, that's good. Okay. Now we are going to the second part, that is for circular system. Circular system. Okay. What is that? Can you please tell me what is circular system? Here, unit. What is the unit? Please tell me.
1 radian, sir.
You're absolutely right. Here, unit is 1. You write down radian. 1 radian. And it is written, this is 1 C for circular. 1 to the power C, C for circular. Suppose 10 radian, 10 radian. Suppose 20 radian, 20 radian, in this way. Now it is done. The question is, what is radian, right? The question is, what is radian? That's a good question. What is radian? At first, you have to know what is radian. Write down radian. The definition of radian, not radium. It is radian or radian. What is the definition of radian? Who can tell me? Write down. You draw a circle, all of you are equal. Please draw a circle. At least one of you. Take a radius. It is emergency to draw the circle. Okay, now all of you are required to take the measurement of OA. Suppose it is radius R. Take the measurement of the radius OA. I think you have taken. Now center at A. Take the measurement of OA. After taking the measurement of OA and centering at the point A, you try to draw an arc from here. That means it is also R. So if it is P, and if we join it, we'll get an angle AOP. We will get an angle AOP. Have you seen? AP, the measurement of AP, it was taken in this way, R. That means you try to understand. I'm going to write down, it is also R. But this measurement is also R here, not arc this. In this way, arc, AP arc is R. Write down the definition of radian. The angle, it is an angle that is AOP formed at the center of a circle by an arc. Here the arc is AP equal to its radius. At first you'll write down this, then you have to draw the figure. Here you see OA equals to OP equals to arc AP is equal to R. Please try to understand what I have written. Angle AOP is 1 radian. It is constant. Okay. Another information you write down. 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. But I have given you another information. You should not accept it. You have to prove it, right? I'll prove it. Can you please let me know what is the measurement of this angle with the help of protractor? Who can tell me what is the measurement of the angle AOP? All of you, please talk to me. You have tendency not to talk. I don't know why. I have written 1 radian equals to 180 degree by pi. Can you please calculate
Sir,
180?
57 by 3.
You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. So from today onward, we will come to know that 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degree approximately. If you measure this angle, you will also get, though your protector will show 60 degree, right? Talk to me.
Yes, sir. It will show 60.
Now, I will prove this too. What is constant and what is 1 radian. So get ready. You please pay attention here. Pay attention. Take a circle like this. It is the center. Okay. OA. Okay. Now, like the previous one, take this measurement. It is P. Okay. That means we can write here. This is R, this is R, and this is R. I think I've got it right. So we can call angle AOP is 1 radian because radius and the measurement of arc are same. Write down. Inlet in a circle APB. I am giving B afterwards. Let in a circle APB OA equals to OP equals to arc AP equals to R. Hence, angle AOP is 1 radian. We draw we have to draw a perpendicular here, which is B. Okay, so we can write down here. We draw OB perpendicular OA. We draw OB perpendicular to OA. Is it or not? Are you getting me? Hello? Are you there?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
There is a formula. Suppose it is an angle formed by this arc. So if I draw another angle, so it is formed by this angle, this arc, right? I mean, if the angle increases, the arc will be increased. If the angle decreases, the arc will be decreased, right? Is it or not? Suppose we are going to draw another angle in this way. Suppose it is made by this arc. You see, it depends. This angle, this arc, this angle, this arc, this angle, this arc. Okay. That means the angle formed by the arc, they are proportional. Proportional means, you know, in physics, you have read it. We know. Actually, better wait, just wait. Just wait. Before that, you wait. Write down arc. Arc AB equals to what? Can you please let me know? What is arc AB?
One-fourth of circumference.
Yes, you're right. It is AB. So we can write AB is 1/4 of whole the circumference. It is 1/4. Okay. First part, second part, third, fourth, they all are equal. So we can write down arc AB is 1/4 into circumference of the circle. What is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. What is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r by 4. That means we are getting pi r by 2. That is arc AB is pi r by 2.
So 1 minute. So 1 minute. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Sir.
We know the angle at the center. The angles formed by the arcs at the center of a circle, at the center of a circle are proportional. Proportional. What is meant by this? Suppose you see it is angle. Suppose it is angle. Okay? Proportional. Suppose it is arc, A for arc. I mean, if angle increases, arc will increase. If angle increases, the arc also will be increased. If angle decreases, the arc will be decreased. So in physics, you read theta equals to K in this way. So we can write down theta by A equals to K. We can write down, right? So it is true for all. Theta 1 by A1 is also K. Theta 2 by A2, it is also K. Now you see, our right hand side is always K. Okay? That means left hand sides are equal. That means we get theta 1 by A1 is equal to theta 2 by A2. Have got it? KK. So theta 1 by A1 equals to K, theta 2 by A2. That means angle by arc equals to angle by arc. Or from here, we can write down, you see, theta 1 by theta 2 is equal to A1 can be taken here, A1 by A2. Okay, one angle by second angle equal the first arc by second arc. I mean, we can write down here, therefore, we have to find angle AOP, write down angle AOP by angle AOB is equal to what? Arc AP by arc AB. Please talk to me where you have failed to understand. That means angle AOP is equal to arc AP by arc AB into this angle AOB. Talk to me. Or what is arc AP? Arc AP equals to R. What is AB? AB equals to what? Pi R by 2? Pi R by 2. What is angle AOB? Angle AOB equals to 1 right angle. Talk to me. What is the measurement of angle AOB? 1 right angle. You can see the figure. OB was drawn perpendicular. What we can write down from here, we can write down angle AOP is equal to R into 2 by pi R into 1 right angle. So RR will be omitted. So we are getting 2 right angle by pi. What is the value of 2 right angles? What is the value of 2 right angles? 2 right angles equals to what? 180 degree. What is the value of pi? You all know what is the value of pi? 3.141590, like this. Suppose if you go to America, will you call that two right angles equals to 360 degree? No. If you go to the moon, will you call two right angles equals to 10 degree? No. That means it is a fixed value. Two right angles, its value is 180 degree and it is fixed. That is, it is constant. And pi is also fixed. It is also constant and irrational number. Though someone writes down 3.14, someone 3.1416, whatever it is, but it is constant. Okay, for our calculation, we take 3.14 or 3.1416, and somewhere it is 22/7, but it is constant. For our better calculation, we take the value. So we can write down here, two right angles and pi are constant. What is meant by this? This is constant, this is constant, constant by constant, it is constant. That means we are getting the right hand side wholly and fully constant. What is meant by this? If it is constant, so angle AOP is constant, angle AOP is equal constant, right? So we can write down, therefore, angle AOP is constant. What is meant by this? What was led by angle AOP? Angle AOP equals to theta, which is a radian. Therefore, radian is constant. Radian is a constant angle. You see, angle AOP is constant. I told you that in the definition of radian, I told you that the angle formed at the center of a circle by an arc equal to its radius is called a radian. So angle AOP is radian here because angle AOP has been formed at the center by the arc AP, which is equal to radius. Okay, so for this, we will call angle AOP as radian. We have proved AOP constant, that is radian is constant. I think you have copied it. Talk to me.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But we are not done yet, you know. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Done.
That's good. Now you see, the math is done. Now another thing. Angle AOP equals to what? 1 radian. I have told you again and again. That is 1 radian. You see, this is 1 radian. Angle AOP is 1 radian. It is equal to this, right? So we are done. It's okay. So from here, we can write down from this equation, we can write down 1 radian equals to 180 degree by pi. Then we can write down pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Sorry. That means, sorry, 180 degree is equal to pi radian. That means 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. This all information, okay, will be needed during doing maths. So we have got, this is the basic formula. From it, we can write down this and we can get this. Is it okay? Sum of 3 angles equals to what? In a triangle, sum of 3 angles equals to what? Can you please let me know? Talk to me. Sum of 3 angles of a triangle equals to what? Equals to what?
180 degree.
But from now onwards, you please forget it. What is 180 degree? I have just proved.
Pi radian.
So from today onward, we all will come to know sum of three angles of a triangle is pi radian. Because I have just proved 180 degree equals to pi radian. In your higher mathematics, there is no application of degree. From now onwards, we all will come to know that sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to pi radian. I think all of you have got it, right? Suppose you are given like this, a math. A math is given like this. Write down in a triangle, okay, ratio of angles. Ratio of angles. Suppose 1 is to 2 is to 3. What are the measures of angle? What are the measures of the angles in radian? If it is in degrees, then you can easily tell it 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, right? If it is in degrees, then you can easily call it. It is 30 degree, it is 60 degree, it is 90 degree. And you see their ratio is 1:2:3, and their sum is 180 degree. Okay, this is the math of class 6, 7. But what are the measures of the angles in radian? This is the question. Now you see, write down, let the angles be, let the angles be 1, that is x radian, 2x radian, and 3x radian. Okay. Is it okay? I have taken x, 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 okay, and measurement in radian. So according to the question, we can write down x plus 2x plus 3x equals to what? Pi. Because we know sum of three angles equals to pi radian. You see, it is radian, 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 radian. All radians will be omitted. Because an equation does not carry any unit. I think you have got it. It is an equation because the unit of both the sides are same. For this, it is an equation. Otherwise, there will never be an equation. Okay. Suppose it is in radian and you are writing there 180 degree. It won't be. As it is in the radian, so it is also in the radian. Now 3 to 5, 6. 6x equals to pi. That is x equals to pi by 6. So the angles are x radian. That means pi by 6 radian. Other one is 2x radian. That is 2 into, what is the value of x? Pi by 6. Pi by 6. This is radian, so it is radian. That is pi by 3 radian. Pi by 3 radian. And the last one is thrice x radian. Thrice x, 3x radians. That means what? 3 into pi by 6. It is equal to pi by 2 radian.
Sir, can we just turn it to decimal like 0.735 radian?
No,
0.
no, 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 no.
Sir, why not?
It is okay. We'll use then. It will be used then when there will be a question of conversion. Not that. Okay. Now you see, I'll do that math. Okay. You see, please. So we are getting here today pi radian equals to 180 degree. Pi by 2 radian equals to what? 180 by 2, 90 degree. You see, this is 90 degree. Pi by 2 radian. Pi by 3 radian equals to what? 60 degree. Pi means 180. 180 by 3 equals to 60. Pi means 180. 180 by 2 equals to 90. Pi by 6 radian equals to what? 180 by 6 equals to what? 30 degree. Okay. Then pi by 4 radian. Pi by 4 radian. 180 by 4 equals to
45 degree.
45 degree. Then 2 pi radian equals to what? 360 degree. Then 3 pi by 2 radian equals to what? 270 degree. Okay, so I think you have got it. So